Ohambo is an old Oshiwambo tradition of moving cattle to greener pastures during the dry season. Herdsmen were responsible for guiding the cattle to more abundant areas and returning them safely to the village afterwards. The journey was a long and hard one, and they would often be away from home for months. The herdsmen developed an extraordinary system of communicating with their cattle, comprising songs and whistles. Each song represented a different command, which the cattle became accustomed to. A series of whistles also conveyed information and alerted the cattle to dangers ahead. This ancient tradition is fast dying out as many of the old routes have been blocked by the establishment of private land and the erection of fences, and the cattle are often now grazed in permanent camps. Every now and then, one still sees a large herd of cattle along the roadside in northern Namibia. Their herder may be singing to them or whistling instructions, keeping some of the ancient tradition alive in the 21st century.